To the wall, Pakistan today decided to mirror India's action after terror attack in the Jammu and Kashmir Pahalgam, in which 26 tourists were killed. Islamabad threatened to suspend all the agreements between the two countries, including the Shimla Pact of 1972, which validates the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. India has also ordered all Pakistani nationals to leave the country by April 29, that is in 48 hours, and suspend all the visas, including the medical ones, as well as the permits given to the diplomats as part of the SAARC invention scheme. Also, New Delhi has announced that the Indus Water Treaty has also been signed, that in the 1960s will be revoked, and they survived that through the war of the 1965, 1971 and 1999 is now suspended indefinitely. Also, in a tit-for-tat move, Pakistan also announced that it will reduce Indian diplomat staff at the High Commission to 30%. India has announced the same yesterday. Both countries have now declared its Air Force and naval diplomats and their support staff at their respective high commissions as persona non grata. Also, threat to the Shimla agreement, Islamabad has stirred up a hornet's nest with its claim that Pakistan shall exercise the right to hold all bilateral agreements with India, including but not limited to Shimla agreement, in abeyance. Also, till India desists from its manifested behavior of fomenting terrorism inside Pakistan. This announcement is significant because the Shimla agreement, which signed after the 1971 war, makes provision for the ceasefire line to be known as the line of control, which is where the armies of the two nations are stationed. Should Pakistan suspend the Shimla agreement, it will put a question on the validity of the line of control. Also, response to the Indus Treaty suspension, stung by the India's decision to suspend the Indus Water Treaty, Pakistan said that any attempt to stop or divert the flow of water belonging to the Pakistan as per the Indus Water Treaty and the separation of the rights of the lower riparian will be considered as an act of war, and responded with full force across the complete spectrum of the national power. Also, Pakistan, which faces an acute water shortage, is staring at the grave situation should the Indus and the two other rivers, that is Jhelum and Chenab, which flows into the country, be diverted or stopped, with tens of millions of people getting affected. Pakistan shall close down the Wagah border post, which immediate effect all the cross-border transit from India through this route shall be suspended without exception. Also, those who have crossed with valid endorsement may return, though, and the route must be cleared and immediately, that is, should be not less than or not below 30th of April 2025.